Interesting removal tonight. We've got bees in this barbet's nest here, and you can see they're just overflowing out of the nest. So clearly this is not big enough for them. It is in a residential area garden, so we're going to cut this down, try and package it up nicely to take in our car as it is, and then when we get to the apiary we're going to move them into the hive. So yeah, watch this episode. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more removals from Bee Sanctuary. Okay, so we've got the barbet's nest here in this bucket. Just wrapped it closed with a piece of cloth, and we're going to take this now down to the bottom part of the Kyalami apiary, and we're going to try and get these bees out of here and into that hive box that we've got going over there. Stay tuned, let's check how this goes. This is something we haven't done before, so we're going to see if it works. Hopefully it does.
Okay, so we removed comb from the barbet nest. Not too much comb, wasn't too big of a swarm. Queen's laying really nicely in it. We do have some empty comb in there, just to give them a bit of a head start. Most of the bees already in there, just in the corner. Not too much comb from this hive, just a few thin pieces. pretty good removal.
Yeah, it was interesting. Something we did a little bit different, try something new. Pretty much doing the removal in the hive.
Really,
I don't know if that's, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but you know what, we'll see if these ladies stick around. Okay, good.
That looks quite nice, yeah.
It does.
Can't get through on the sides. And with that, we start packing up. Hey.